I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.
न्यूज़पेपर में खुद को देखना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते। उन्हें लगता है कि एक्टर्स की भी प्राइवेट लाइफ होती है, जिसमें पूरी छुपाए रखने का उनको पूरा राइट है।
What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm
Oh my god!
competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let him win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything, if I could see my dreams.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Shit.